UMLA kasang VPP uba adan mula besaya mat nekas ngi ula dawaban penstam ya gitu kiba penken kiba Kenya la de kum ki VIP da ka penan kami ki yet yang haki kali jongki habawan ra ya kan mat ha kenta kali jengkeli yang dorbar thawaan ba besaya mat ula ang baki dan shibun ki breu ki balai ya de kum ki VIP ula kena ba kum kini ki breu ban ki ba penan kami ki yet yang teng ki la bandai ki perlok jongki VIP ki bahieng lani ki bi trelang pok katnat rekam haba jubab menteri rangba ukon rat ke sangma lo pentikna ha kayeng ba an penstam mardor lada ka sorkar kayo jing ujor halor kani da ka ba angru wat ha ka kali jong uklam ta ya ka flem rong yong kidon kumbasis pa laingut ki VIP ha ka dan ba per ki bakan thobi arngut hapo ka Z plus kategori supongot hapo ka Z kategori khat khandai ngut hapo ka Y kategori bat nyupo arngut hapo ka X kategori ulaang.
It seems that there are too many people, who behave themselves as VIPs. They put the back frames on the vehicles, even the vehicle without bearing a registration number, the siren, and this has caused a lot of inconvenience to the people of the state. So maybe a friend of a relative or a business partner of those who are at the helm of affairs, they are taking advantage. And this has become, an eyesore to the people of the state. So may I know, what steps will the government take against those people who behave themselves as VIPs, taking the advantage under that covers?
Through you, sir, I can inform all the members that if there are such cases, individuals who are, and if anything comes to our notice, definitely, sir, immediate action will be taken.
Unong elam kasang VPP nanong kram ba